What up? What up? What up? What up?
Okay, Intel
Hey,
is
Keith.
looking to get bodied
here. 926. Yo, those Disney contracts end up going to 165. If you remember, we got in at like 119, 120, 121. We stopped out. I was pretty upset though. Like, man, I mean, we practice risk management, but yeah, it was it definitely ended up going like I said it was gonna do. So that was our only L yesterday. It was Disney. That at the end of the day, my observation was correct that we were going to push up, and we did exactly. It wasn't the end of the day. It probably was like an hour later, and it started to grind up. I'm actually gonna go and look at it real quick. See if I can pull this up on. So yeah, so this is our stop. That's our 15-minute entry, and this is our monthly entry that I had marked. And look at that yesterday. Because I believe I said we were going to enter at 50, 95.89, right? We was going to enter here. And yeah, it pushed all the way up yesterday alone to 86.81. So yeah. Well, no, 97.50. So yeah. That's that. What's good though? Let's see if I can find us a trade today. Please like and subscribe. Hit the like button. Donate to the channel if you like. Hit one of those QR codes. I appreciate it. It'd be greatly appreciated. Let's see what else we're gonna do here. Alright, let's see what the market got to offer us today. Alright, if you got any tickets you're looking at, drop them in the chat. Last time my man Keith 2926 called out a banger. Can't remember exactly which one it was, but I think it was on BAC or UAL. I think it was UAL, if I ain't mistaken. Yeah, we had the right idea. We just was maybe a little early, but it's all good. Sometimes you be a little early when you trade the STRAT. Sometimes you just gotta be patient, you know. But at the end of the day, we managed our risk like we were supposed to, and you can't ask for no more than that. BAC or BASC? I've never heard of BASC. Okay. Okay, yeah, I like it. So we got an orb here. Oh, we're actually breaking orb on the 15, which would be here. Now we're with our, okay, so this would be a PT. I'm just marking this out for us first so everybody can see what's going on here. I'm just trying to figure out where the PTs would be. Alright, be a PT. Let's see if it's one on the 30. Alright. Try some contracts on that actually. I may not call this out because I'm a little late on it, but let's see what's happening. See what's happening there. You know what? I'm gonna take some 34.50. I'm gonna take a starter position with 20 contracts. All right, I'm in at $28. BAC 34.50 calls. I'm in at $28. All right. Well, technically, we already done hit PT1, but yeah, I'm in also. I'm up 3% at 28. Let's see what we get here. To 20 contracts. So, if we continue to push. I mean, look at that time frame continuity. I just want to see something real quick. Okay, the 6 month is in force. 3 month is in force. The monthly is in force. The weekly is in force. All right. The daily is in force. The 4 hours in force. Hour. 30. And, all right. Boom. Give it to us. The problem we having is these contracts moving a little slow. All right, I'm up 7%. Contracts I got in there 28 contracts at 29 and 30. See if I can find the broad information here. See if anything is got in the room stopping us. No, we're doing pretty well here. That been one. And that would have been one. All right, up 10%. Contracts at 30 and 31. So I'm going to sell something at the ass here. Trying to get out at 30 on this next little push up on half of my contracts at 10%. All right, so I've sold some. At contracts at 30 on the bid, 32 on the ask. If you're coming in, please like and subscribe. Hit that like button. 14%. 31 and 32 is still on the ask. Please hit the like button. All right, 17%. All right, I am going to show another quarter. Ask, that will be 32. Let's see if we get filled here. Then what I'm going to do is, on my last quarter, I am going to 25% of my position. I'm going to set a stop at break or even. Which a break even, which would be actually 34.20. I'm gonna make it 26, just so it's a little bit into profit. So if you got any slippage when you sell, well, that's what I'm gonna. But technically, my break even is actually 28. On the what's the name? So, but it's hard to really like explain that while we're live. So. Yeah. Well, there we go. You know, I always make my stop line white. Add my text. So I might have to go ahead and save this. Put some size on it so people can see. I'll create a template. Save as. Boom. Stop. All right, cool. I got 5 contracts left. All right, so we got about $4 to $5 per contract on that trade. Can't complain about that. Shouts out to Keith926. Please hit that like button. Please like and subscribe. Hit the notification. Let me scroll around the market and see what's going on. Let's hit these Wall Streets. See what's popping. We're still in BAC. As you can see, I got a stop price in. The price is still at 34.35. So we just chilling. I'm just trying to see what's going on in these U Street. Let's see what's good. What's good? Still up 10%. Contracts at 31 or 30 on the 31 on the bid and 32 on the ask. So we chilling 14%. I'm gonna go here to my options watch list. Scroll on through for us, see what's going on here. Don't worry, I got my eyes on it. Hold on real quick, yo. Oh, I thought I muted it. Damn sure didn't. All right, BAC is just chilling. Sorry about that. I got a phone call. Contracts at 32 and 34. I'll take us back to AC. I got it inside. Oh, not too much noise in the stat break. You just something. Spray it. All right, is that better? I'm clipping like crazy. All right, is that better? Is that better? Bet. How do we sound now? It's less noise and things. If you ain't sell any of your positions, I probably would sell for your last or some of your position at 32. And put your stop loss on, or keep bumping your stop loss up if that's what you want to do. So, how it sound now? It sound a lot better. Does it sound better? Doesn't? Ain't clipping. Bet. All right, cool. Keep saying on all right, and he said he's still in the trade. Yeah, I got 25% of my position left. So, yeah. Let's ride this last bit of position out. Nice trade. Nice call out. Nice that you seen that. Hurry up and mark. We marked it out. We got 4 minutes and 46 cents left on this candle. Contracts at 31 and 32 on the ass. So what I would do is I probably would set a sell for some of my position there if you haven't already sold, because contracts at 32 on the bid and 33 on the ass. So we had about 17% if you got in at 28. Okay, so you can't hear me at all now. All right, what about now? Can you hear me now? That's loud. Yo. All right, bet. I might pick up everything. It's a Blue Yeti Nano, but it picks up like everything. Yeah, it picks up everything. It's ridiculous. Like every single day. All right, we're looking pretty good. Price is at 34.38. Yeah. Just let this thing rock out and see what it's gonna do. So, like I said, most of your positions should be sold. We should be down to 25%, and you just should be stop at break even, and you just should be riding this out. All right, bet. See if we can find us another trade. All right, price is still fluctuating. Stuck in this little range here. Keeps rejecting here. Are we going to chill? Let's see what we get. I ain't hit stop loss yet. I am going to go back and scroll through the YouTube streets and see what we can find. So, yeah. Keith, 926, nice trade. Appreciate it. Hit the like button. All right. What I'm going to do is I am going to mark that as a W for us because we got one. Stop is at break even, so there's no way we can lose this trade. We sold most of our position and we lit. Looking good. So we are looking good. So yeah. All right, let's see what else we can find. Let's see what else is out here on the Wall Streets and YouTube streets. So if it hits 31. Oh, if it hits back on your on a PT there, I see it. Yeah. Yeah, I only got 25% of my position left, so I'm chilling, and I got to stop on and break even. So and I had got 20 contracts, so I got like 5 of them left, so I ain't really tripping. I really sound like a fat dude. Like, not to be fat shaming or nothing. All right, so this made a broad information here. Only 15. So we got this actually might have been a broad information that's been stopping us right here. So hour one, let's see. Yeah, and as you can see, look, this was, we rejected that hour broad information right there. All right, let me mute up for a sec. So you'll hear my. All right, contracts are back at 30 and 31 on the ask, 30 on the bid, 30 on the ask. I like this little 15-minute 2-2 reversal here. See if we can break over this the last high, which was 34.42. So last high here, 34.42. So and maybe push a little higher and take out 34.74. We got some broad informations that we kind of rejecting right now. Time frame continuity on the 30 is red, but I think we can end up pushing back green. And actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this stop. I'm going to stop to the bottom of the wickedest candle, so 34.29 is the stop now. Just bumping it up, so somebody kind of got a range. I think Q said he was getting out somewhere around that range too, but I'm expecting us to either push through, and if we come down to 34.29, then I'll just be done with this. But we're looking good to continue for a push, but who knows? We're gonna protect the profits we got. 25% of my position is left, so I had 20 contracts. That means I got 5 left. I sold 15. some at 31 and some at 32. So that was, and I got in at 28. So yeah, I'm gonna take my little small gains and small win. Keep 926 code just play out. I took the time out to mark at levels out, managed and figured out why we went into, and yeah, we hopped in. So, you know, keep the dynamic duo. Yeah, here we go. We got a push now. Contracts at 32 and 33. One outside candle on is 15, 17%. So we went outside 15. All right, we riding now. 33 and 34 on those contracts. 21%. I think I'm breathing so hard because I'm still sick. 21%. Breathing out my damn mouth as well. %, of those contracts. So 35 and 30, 25% on those contracts. 34 and 35 on the ask. Obviously, when I say 30, when I say the lower number, I'm just saying the bid and then the ask. So the bid is what most likely you would sell if you sell at market or you sell at the bid. Ask is the highest price that you can get at the moment. The easiest way to get out is sell market or sell the bid, which means you basically willing to lose about $1 cheaper. All right, but contracts are at 28%, 35 and 36 on the bid and ask, 36 and 37 on the ask, 28%. All right, 32% now. 37 and 38 on the ask. We broke this broad information and then we're pushing through. We have took out our second target of 34.47. We're now at 34.48. A beautiful, beautiful trade. All right. So I'm gonna show y'all what I do real quick. Since it's a beautiful trade, I like to take the time out and recap it and make a video for us. I'm going to do it all on live while we all here. Because like I said, if you can't ask a person why they taking a trade, then you shouldn't be out here trading. So let's hope this doesn't mess up while I'm trying to do this. Let me see something real quick. I'm trying to share my screen with Zoom. All right, cool. All right, cool. Contracts at 37 and 38. All right, so listen. Give me a chance here. I'm ready to record this video live for us. Watch this. And then we're going to recap this whole thing on YouTube real quick. All right, now
recording in progress.
All right, well, back to Stock Market Mindset. Today we're going to recap this BAC trade that one of the followers on the YouTube channel, Keith 926, called out, brought to our attention, and brought to the community's attention. So what he saying was, and what I seen once he called it out was, we had full time frame continuity, right? And we had this gap up in the morning on that daily candle, right? And it's 2 down. And what happened was it was already a 2 down. And then we opened up with a gap. So we went down to the 15-minute chart. So we opened up this gap on this 15-minute. So we broke an orb here, right? So this is our entry up, which was 34.25. We pushed over that. We pushed over. We entered here at 34.26. Entered this trade. We got a nice push up. Rejected this broadening formation. Consolidated a little bit. Tried to push up. Hit some more broadening formations on the hour and the 15. So, you know, we end up getting it coming down, pushing down a little bit. I told him we're going to move our stops up to protect our profit. Sold some of that position in this range. Boom. We decided to go, came down, went outside, took out the low of this previous candle and pushed up to a 3. Now, at this moment, we've taken out both our profit targets, which was 34.31 and 34.47, and pushed over a little more than that, and it made a new high of 34.51. Now we're in a 3-1 on the 15-minute, and right now the hour has opened up red. So we're going to see how this go, but our stop loss is at break even a little more, and we are just riding this trade out. So I just want to do a quick recap on how we made over 40% on BAC this morning with a call out from Keith 926 in the trading community live on YouTube. So that's my reason for taking this trade. Like I say, if you can't take a trade, if you take a trade and somebody can't explain to you why they took that trade and 3 checkpoints and reasons why you took it, then you shouldn't be taking it. And mine was we broke oil. That's 1. Time frame continuity. That's 2. And 2 down on a daily, which was an actionable signal that pushed up, opened up, and pushed up. So that is my reason for taking this trade. And yeah. Please like, subscribe.
Recording stopped.
I think that's horrible, but I do all my videos raw, and it is what it is, off top of the dome. But stop sharing for that. And this is converting. Please like and subscribe. Hit one of the QR codes. Donate to the channel. Turn your notifications on. We go live every morning. We normally find us a trade. We don't take too many hours over here. Let me upload this. Upload this video really fast. I just did that video live with you all. What's today? It's the 30th. Is this video not done rendering? Oh, here we go. I believe this is it. It should be 2 minutes. I made the video raw and live like a Tubi movie. Cool, I just said that in the telly. In the telegram. If you ain't in here, it's not my fault. There you go. Boom. Drop that right there. Oh, yeah. All right, just like that. And I just dropped a recap. So go check that out. Go give it some likes and all of that. You know what I'm saying? I get a lot of messages. So if you hear like all of that like buzzing, yeah, that's my messages. Go on. People don't leave me alone. Inside out, inside 15, 30 hour, 4 hour and day on SPY. What is coming? What is coming? Look at that consolidation. Yeah. Look at that. That's all consolidation. That's all your daily candle right there. All of that. All of this right here is all your daily candle. That's that all daily inside right here. Look, from 9:30 this morning. This is the chop around. Let's see if it'll work. Let me see if I put this rectangle here. All right. Let's see if I put this rectangle right here. It'll show. See, chop. See, that's how that works. You can see, chop. See, chop. That one little single candle. See, that one little single candle right here that I put right here. Let me turn this off real quick. Might be getting my magnet is on. I want to let me take my magnet off. There we go. All right, let's see if I can make it better. Less noticeable. All right, let's see. Nope, it wasn't enough. So there's some separation. Where the hell they go? All right, here we go. All right, boom. Here we go. That should chop. That should chop. That should chop. So all your box all the way down. That's your whole beginning of the market. So that's how, when you see an inside candle, you be like, well, why it ain't going nowhere? If you make a box right there on that single inside candle on a daily and go down to your lower time frames, you will see that it's inside of this box, like it's in a box, right? It has no direction. So that's the easiest way to teach somebody, like, why is it inside candle? And you know, why it ain't going nowhere, and why don't you trade inside candles? Because this is what you get. When you come down to the 5 minute, this is what you get. And no matter how low you go down, like you're in that box. Look, this is the whole day in the 1 minute within this box. Yeah, it looks like a lot because it's on a 1 minute, but it ain't doing nothing. Chop. Look at it. Chop 3 minute, right? Using the free version. Chop. Your chop. This is your hour, 4 hour. And that's your little box. Now where you go? Chop. So that is what breaks it down. But let's get back to BAC. Take that off later. I don't care. All right, 30 minute inside. All right. I'm actually gonna move my stop up to the bottom of this candle on this 15. So now the stop is 34.40. So we got a 3-1. Go like my video. I sent the link in the chat. And I did a live on stream with y'all. So hope I did a good job. Let me go watch it. I don't like to go listen back to myself, to be honest. But I try my best to explain it live and raw, no edits, no nothing. That don't sound too bad. That's why I like to record in Zoom, because Zoom like got like great noise cancellation. Like when you record videos on Zoom, like your phone could be ringing and everything, you won't hear it. It's great. All right, let's see what we get on this next 15-minute candle. This is 3-1. Let's see if this hour goes back green. They buy up this hour or they're gonna sell it down. Either way, my stop is on. Y'all see where the stop is at. I see you got it at 28. So contracts at 33 and 34. I'm chilling. Y'all know me, I like to take one trade a day. One good trade. If we get one good trade, we in it. We've been banking. We've been green all week. We had one red trade yesterday that actually ended up still going. So me and Q, we had the right mindset. I called out DIS. I called out Disney. And yeah, so you know where the stop is at. You know what we're doing. If I was y'all, since we got in at 28, I would set my stop on my contracts at 30 or maybe 31 or 32. You know, just to you should have your last bit of your position. If you got in at 28, 29, I'd be at like 30, 31, 32. Or sell most and set it at break even. You know, leave a couple contracts, 2, 3, depending on what you in. And yeah. So been on for an hour. I probably ain't gonna trade no more today. I will leave the stream running. I will be checking the comments because I have my phone with me. But like I did yesterday, I got things to do, so I gotta go get ready. And well, yeah, I will stay on all day, but I'm on here for free. So what more do you want? We made some money. We lit. We got a recap video. Please like and subscribe. Turn your notifications on so you get the notifications when I go live every morning. I try to go live 10 minutes before market open, but today I was a little late. So yeah, but let's get to it. Shout out to Keith. I tagged him in the video. You know what I'm saying? It's big love. Hit the description link, hit the Telegram, join the Telegram. Send a watch list there every day. All my contact information, always to donate to the channel, is in the description. Yeah, holla at me. The course is there. Everything is there. If you want to do one-on-ones, hit me up. Do that too. Really cheap. Teach you the strat. Teach you a strategy. Get you profitable. So yeah, it's lit. Let's go. Ready to turn the mic off. Actually, I'm gonna leave the mic on. Y'all can listen to Kid Keely like we did yesterday.
We took these highs. Yep. Took these highs from before. Bust through. Let's buy an offer now. Let's buy. Let me see QQQ. QQQ looking bearish. Small term.
Contracts at 36 and 37.
Energy, I mentioned this morning that it could have outside day up setup. It bounced off the entry for puts, and now it can do this gap fill. Consumer staples doing the same thing. Consumer staples looking valid. Things have quite shifted right now. Semis are pulling again. Intel dumping. It's under 43 now. XLF is pumping. So we have oil, consumer staples, and banks trying to bounce, while other things are either pulling back or not doing anything at all. Goodbye, Intel.
PPG PepGen shares halted.
Hello, Charlie Jr.
The upside up 48%.
How was your wedding?
News. Papa Echo, Papa Golf, PPG.
Wally World breaking up. Boeing still going down. We had this hammer on Wally. Yeah, 50% on Boeing. Nice. High open interest doesn't matter if the volume's low. No, not necessarily. A reminder that volume resets to zero at the end of or at the beginning of every day, right? Volume resets to zero. Why? Because volume's tracking the price action of a contract, or excuse me, how many transactions are happening on a contract within one single trading day. So high open interest tells you just how many people are staying at the party, right? And it's high interest. You can in that way you can think that, wow, lots of people are interested in swinging this position. A lot of people are interested in swinging this position. That's open interest. So open interest can give you like when you look at the option chain, if you see high open interest, then that means, oh, this looks juicy. This looks like a party that I want to be at. You don't want to go to a party where there's no one there, right? But if you see more people walking through the door in that trading day, then that's also going to get you say, oh, okay, the hype is still here in a way, kind of. You know what I mean? So that's how you look at volume and open interest. But you know, the volume is just how many people are entering the party in that trading day. So something that has high open interest and low volume is still fine in a way, because there's people staying at the party. You're able to trade with them. Sometimes if there's high volume and low open interest, that kind of just means like, whoa, this might be where the party's starting. Like, there's lots of people here, but you don't know how many people are going to stay overnight until the next day. You know, so you kind of have to. It takes practice when you're looking at the options contracts, but trust me in the analogy that I'm making. I feel as though that's probably the best analogy you can think of when thinking about open interest and volume. Like, experience is going to help you understand like what a good contract looks like and feels like. We're going to give you the guidelines as we did in the academy. If you attend the study session tonight, then you could ask some follow-up questions. We really drill in like maybe why certain things happen. This time might be for real on SPY. QQQ. We could maybe go outside down. For real this time. For real. There's a lot of options contracts in the 486 puts expiring tomorrow, and they're not even expensive, given that we're about to have FOMC. Very interesting.
Family of Hyundai SUVs. Get 0% APR or up to $2,000 bonus cash on the Santa Fe or lease for $249 a month. Visit buyhyundai.com today.
IRS e-file is open. Snap your W-2 and file your taxes 100% free. Roughly 37% of taxpayers qualify. 1040 and limited credits open. Get the Intuit TurboTax app now.
Oops. Chop, schlop. Only thing moving. So tech is chop, schlop. But oil and banks are not. At least some of the banks. City. didn't mention Citi this morning. Citigroup, Goldman Sachs, nope. But JP Morgan, yeah. Oh, damn. JP Morgan was one to check out. For some reason, I thought it was only Bank of America. Mastercard had a 3.22 extension. Visa after earnings has just been up. So yeah, it's all about Mastercard and JP Morgan. Of course, BAC was up in there. Seems like the one that was most actionable was JP. The big, whoa, holy snap. Huge, wow. Huge spike. Let's go. Let's see, can it continue? Right now it's at ADR. At Orb TP1. It'd be nice if we get to Orb TP2. Let's go, T. I can look at Tesla. I haven't looked at Tesla in the moment. It might be a time to get Tesla leaps. Okay, it's time to get. It is time to get rid of all of these things we chart. Okay, let's actually do some more. So Tesla, it's at the bottom of this downward channel. And the 212 reversal, which is basically at the bottom of the Brownian formation, 212. It could do a bit of a gap fill. I'm just curious because, again, I don't know about leaps, because Tesla, they really missed earnings pretty decently when their earnings expectations were already, actually, earnings expectations were increased. I was going to say I thought they were lowered. But the outlook, he said, is going to have a less profitable year. So I don't know if that's already an expectation of further downside for Tesla or what. According to the chart, we're in this downwards channel. We fell out the upwards channel. So I don't know. What I would think is that we'd come back down to about the 150 levels. But we're currently on the bounce area. AT&T, it's you and me. Weeklies went up 50-60%. All next week's are up 40%. Disney might be at the top of the Rodney. Ooh, yeah. I guess Disney filled part of its gap now. That might be it for Diz. As I was saying, these stocks hate orb with a passion, bro. Tesla at the moment pulling back. If you're trading SPY, SPX is not a day for 0 days. I mean, they might benefit soon at some point, but at the moment they are not treating the good folks them nicely. So I think a similar thing is going to happen here. Like Shopify the other day, here on the AppV, where it's going to rally up and then try to stop people out. But then it's going to hit a certain level and then come right back down. But man, the wishy-washiness of the market. Just annoying entries. We didn't have a full break of structure down yet. Just in this upwards channel.